Hi, everybody. Back from vacation, getting into the swing of things. Big story, of course, is the hot weather. Forecasting 96 today on this Monday. First full day of summer, by the way. The summer solstice was at 8:32 Sunday evening last night here local time. Anyway, 96 is also the record for the 21st day of June out of PDX back in 1992. So we could equal that or maybe break the record. Still looks like we get a bit of a more of a northwesterly flow, maybe even some early cloud areas tomorrow and Wednesday. That marine air influence would help hold temperatures down to the mid 80s. I have us at 85 tomorrow, Wednesday, 87 Thursday. And then all eyes on Friday with another round of heat. Right now I'm going 96 Friday, right around 100 Saturday, still in the 90s on Sunday, and then cooling off into the 80s to start next week. There are other forecast models that go even hotter this weekend with 90s continuing into next week. So we'll see. But, what has been hot weather around much of the nation, including much of the West, had been staying to our south. And then now we're finally getting into it. And although we'll get a bit of a break tomorrow, there's a second round of heat showing up, as I mentioned, this upcoming weekend. Let's see here. Sun will come up tomorrow at 5:22 on Tuesday. That's a minute later in the morning as we start to see the daylight minutes shrink. Still looking at a sunset, though, today and tomorrow of 9:03. So still very long days, at least for a little while, right? Well, that's what I have. We're just looking at the heat. You may have heard there are some wildfires, at least two, maybe three, what are considered to be large wildfires burning in the state of Oregon. The largest is the one over on the Warm Springs Indian Reservation, Native American reservation. That's southeast of Mount Hood. That one is now up. Last report, I think it had burned more than 6,000 acres, and they were hitting that really hard today, trying to get some containment on that. I don't expect we're going to see much smoke from that because the wind flow right now is light and variable, so that smoke is pretty much going to sit over the fire. But if we do see some noticeable haze, especially off to the eastern sky near the mountains, that would be the reason why, okay, that wildfire smoke. All right, with that said, I will wish you a pleasant, sunny, but hot day, and I'll talk to you soon.